Today we're checking out the crystal headlights with corner, chrome housings and smoked lenses for the 1997 to 2003 F-150. If your factory headlights are faded or you want a sharper and more aggressive front end look without going fully blacked out, then these are a clean visual and functional refresh that are definitely worth checking out. When it comes to the features, this setup updates both the headlight and the corner areas with a crisp and modern lens look while keeping a bright chrome interior for strong reflectivity. The smoked lens detail adds a tougher style that pairs well with darker wheels, grills, or any other dark accents you might have on the truck, but still keeps the overall look balanced. These are a great option for owners who want a truck to look newer and more updated without changing the entire personality of the front end. Day to day, you're gonna get refreshed lighting and a front end upgrade that looks like it belongs. Now when it comes to the construction, you're getting durable housings and impact-resistant lenses designed to handle daily driving abuse. These seams are built to keep out moisture, and the assemblies are shaped to match those factory mounting points for a clean and flush fit. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the mid $100 price range. That's a strong value for a full headlight and corner refresh that can dramatically improve the look of the truck. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour or less of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Okay, so today we are replacing the stock headlights on the 97 F-150 with these spider headlights from AmericanTrucks.com. They're really simple to install. You only need a couple tools. My battery, in this case, takes a 1/2-inch wrench just to disconnect your battery. Some will take an 8 or a 10 millimeter, but mine's a 1/2-inch. I've already got that unhooked, and you'll need a little pry bar just to unhook your connectors, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and a flashlight, and a tape measure to help you line up your adjustment, because that's how you adjust your headlights. So what we're gonna do is just simply go off the factory settings, because they're already set right, and we'll just make sure that they match before we install them. So first thing you do is you'll take out your T20 Torx right down there. That'll take out your marker light. I'll just pop out. And, well, my clips are already broke on this, but you just separate 2 tabs to disconnect that. And then just twist to remove your bulb. And then these do not come with the metal retaining clip that your screw will go into. So we'll have to pop that off. Slide it on top of your new one. We'll put in our new bulb, or factory bulb. And then you just line up your 2 pins here, there and there. That'll just fit right in like that. Put your screw back in. There's your marker light. So then to remove the main headlight, you just pull out these 2 tabs, you pull up, and then you push back. And then up again, up, back, and then push back from here, and that'll pop out. Pry bar. Disconnect your headlight. twist that off, retaining ring, and I am running an aftermarket LED light. The factory ones, they line up with these grooves. These aren't as specific, but you'll need to line up your top diode, the one that faces forward. That one's got to go up on these for your high beam, or else you can install them upside down. So, screw your retaining ring. And don't touch the diodes, or you can wreck your LED or other lights. So, and then I've already measured these. They measure out the exact same as stock, so it shouldn't take much adjustment. If you need to plug it back in, and then you got to line it up with these 3 holes in here, 3 pins, and then there are these little tabs too that'll line up with these grooves right here as well. And everything kind of has to go in together at the same time, or it's gonna fight you a little bit. But that's where your flashlight kind of comes in, so you can kind of see what you're doing here. You gotta line this all up. There you go. Push right in. So then, once again, you look down here, and once you push them in, you'll see there's a kind of little flat spot on that rubber. So this just simply pushes down, and that'll hold it in the groove. That one's in. Top one's gotta go in. There you go. Just like that. And they look 100 times better than stock. Just simply do the same thing on the other side. Like I said, if you have to adjust them at all, just pull your tabs out, and then you just simply spin these little knobs in or out. That's how you adjust your headlights. But very simple to install.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the crystal headlights with corner, with chrome housings and smoked lenses for the 1997 to 2003 F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.